Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize blocks on Squarespace. Whether you're building a brand new site or just perfecting your layout, mastering block resizing will help make your site look polished on both desktop and mobile. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to adjust your blocks for any device, so your web pages look balanced, professional, and uniquely yours. Let's dive right in. First, open up your site in the Squarespace editor. We'll start by adding a blank section. You'll see the option for this in the page editor. Just look for the plus icon. Click it and choose blank section. This gives us a clean slate to work on, like setting up an empty canvas before a painting. Starting with a blank section helps you focus and see the impact your changes make without distraction from other content. Next, we need to add a block. You can select any type of block you like, an image, text, button, or even a map. For demonstration, I'm going to pick a simple text block, but you can follow these same steps with any block type. Just click the Add Block button, choose your block from the menu, and it will pop right into your blank section. Adding blocks is how you build the structure of your page, so don't be afraid to experiment with different block types as you go. Now for the crucial part, resizing. This is where you really take control of your page's look and feel. Hover over the block you just added. You'll notice a blue corner appear, usually at the bottom right. Go ahead and click and hold that blue corner, then drag it to adjust the block's size. As you move your mouse, you'll see the block change shape in real time. This direct manipulation makes it easy to get the size just right for whatever content you want to showcase. If you're setting up a gallery, for instance, you might want large blocks for big images, or perhaps small blocks for product buttons. This flexibility lets you mold your design. But here's a handy pro tip. Instead of, or in addition to, dragging with your mouse, you can fine-tune the size using your keyboard. Hold down the Control key and use the arrow keys to nudge the block smaller or larger. This gives you even more precision, letting you make tiny adjustments that might be tricky with just dragging. Sometimes a pixel or two really does make a difference, especially when you want elements aligned perfectly. Let's talk about mobile view for a minute. Once you've resized your block in desktop view, switch over to mobile view in the editor. It's tempting to think changes will automatically carry over, but Squarespace treats each view separately. So if you resized your block on desktop, your mobile layout won't change. Make sure to repeat the resizing process for mobile devices. Add your block if you haven't already. Tap the blue corner, or use Control and the arrow keys, just as you did before. It's an extra step, but trust me, checking these details means your site looks sharp no matter how people visit. Don't worry if things look a little off at first. It may take a few moments to experiment and get each block just the way you want for each device. Remember, Squarespace's flexibility is there so you can customize without any coding. And these resizing tricks are a great way to elevate your site's design. And there you have it. You've learned how to resize blocks in Squarespace for both desktop and mobile views using simple drag and drop or precise keyboard shortcuts. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more easy, practical web design tips. Got any questions or need advice about Squarespace? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.